Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Nadex Signals. This is Bharat. Welcome back guys. I'm recording my videos today, that is 14th of August. As you guys can see, it's 1 p.m. right now. So I got into this trade at 1 p.m. expiry. I will show you which trade I got into. I got into this trade, I sold the position at $21.5 and I need the market to be below 1.2717 at 1 p.m. expiry. So let's see what is happening in the chart. Well, as you guys can see, my contract is shown here. So I need the market to be below this line at the end of this 5-minute expiry. So the market right now is at here. So another, I guess 2 minutes 2 minutes 30 seconds remain on this clock. I will get back to you guys once this trade is ending, or else, well, last 1 second remains. The market closed below. As you guys can see, it formed a red signal, red candle, sorry. We need the market to be below this line and it closed below. So a profit of $21.5, so minus $2 for the Nadex fees, so it's $19.5. Well, I actually wanted to talk to you guys about the Nadex Signals service, which I'm going to start as soon as possible. Well, few people have already contacted me, but there are not many members so that I can start as soon as possible. So I'm waiting for another few members to join in so that I can start the service soon. And if you guys like this video, please like this video, share, comment and subscribe to my channel guys. And if you think your friends or any of your family members needs to see this video so that even they can get benefited from this, please share this video with them and tell them to subscribe to this channel as well. Thank you guys. Well, if you like this video and if you want to join my services, then please mail me at nadexsignals1@gmail.com. I have mentioned the email address in the description below as well. Please contact me saying that you guys want to join the service, and I will briefly explain how this service is going to work. Well guys, I don't want to be like any other guru or anything out there who first charges a lot of money from you guys and then provide a satisfactory or bad services. So what I'm planning to do is, I believe in my strategy and I know this strategy is going to work. I've been trying it from past few months and it is working really well, and I have analyzed the markets day and night so that I don't give false information to you guys. So what I'm going to do is, I believe in my strategy so much that I am planning to give the signals out for free. Well, you listened it right guys, I'm going to give it for free. Well, but it's not profitable for me to give it out like that as well. So what I'm going to do is, I will give you the signals. You should give me the registered Nadex live account, just the username, so that I won't make a loss by registering the same people with different usernames and all. And what I will do is, I will give out the signals for a session of 2 hours, and if the person, and I know he or she will make a profit of $100 within 2 hours. Again, I have tried in a lot of times, and I've made easily $100 within 2 hours. So what I'm going to do is I'll give out the signals. You guys take the trade. You guys make a profit of $100 or more. And what I'm asking is, once you make the profit, in that profit, I need 25% of the profit transferred to my account within that day. Well, if this sounds reasonable for you guys, then please mail me at nadexsignals1@gmail.com. Well, you guys make a 75% profit. You give me 25% of the profits. You are happy, I am happy, and we can all be happy together, guys. Well, that's it about this service, which I'm going to start as soon as possible. Now I will get back to you guys once I'm in another trade, so that in this session also I'm planning to make $100. I'll be right back. Well guys, I got into this trade at 1:25 p.m. expiry. I bought the market at $73, so I'm going to make a profit of $27 in this trade if I win it. I need the market to be above 1.2715 at 1:25 p.m. expiry. In the chart, let's see. So as you guys can see, I need the market to be above this line, 1.27150, this line, and the market right now is at 1.27172. Another 2 minutes remaining. I'll get back to you guys once 30 seconds is remaining on the clock. Another 30 seconds remaining on the clock. And 25 seconds remaining. And if I win, I'm going to win this trade and make $27 minus to $25. So in this trade $25, and in the last trade I made $19.5 after the Nadex fees and all. So $44.5. I started at 1 p.m. so it's half an hour and $44 in. Well, another half an hour or 1.5 hour, let's see. I'm planning for $100. I'll get back to you guys once I'm in another trade. Till then, see you guys. Well guys, I got into this trade at 1:40 p.m. expiry. I bought this market at $61.5. I needed the market to be above 1.2717 at the end of 1:40 p.m. So in the chart, if you guys can see, this is the line 1.2717, as you guys can see here. I need the market to be above this line, and the market right now is at 1.27185. Well, I got into this trade when the market was right here, so I got a good pricing, $61.5. So 44.5 plus this one, 100 minus 61.5 is 100 minus 63.5, because $2 for the Nadex fees. So $81 done, guys. I need the market to be above this line, and the market went above, as you guys can see. So $81 for profit, $81 profit in 45 minutes, guys. Well, I will get back to you guys once I'll get into the last trade for this session. Till then, see you. Well, I got into this trade 1:55 p.m. expiry. I sold the market at $41, guys. $41. I need the market to be below 1.2721 And as you guys can see, the market right now is at 1.27203. In the chart, I need the market to be below this line, and the market is going down, and it settled down as well. Another profitable trade with $41, guys. So $2 for the Nadex fees if I remove, $39. So there you go, guys. Within 1 hour, I started at 1 p.m. and exactly at 2 p.m. It's 1:55 p.m. actually. This contract ends at 2 p.m. So within 55 minutes, I made a profit of $120 with this strategy. Well, if you like this video, then please mail me at nadexsignals1@gmail.com, and I will see you guys there. See you. Take care.